How to change the volume button shortcut. This tutorial shows you how to set a specific accessibility feature to launch by holding both volume keys. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Accessibility from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on the specific feature you want, such as magnification or talkback. At this point, turn on the toggle next to its shortcut option. In the next step, tap on the shortcut name itself to see the available trigger options. Following this, select Hold Volume keys from the list of choices. Once done, close Settings once the option is selected. From here, press and hold both volume keys together for a few seconds to test that the feature turns on. Keep in mind, each accessibility feature has its own separate shortcut setting, so you'll need to repeat this for every feature you want triggered this way. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to change which feature is assigned to the volume key shortcut. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the volume button shortcut, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.